Welcome, in front of me is a Samsung Galaxy M30s, and today I'll show you how to format the SD card. So to get started, you want to open up your settings, and from settings we're going to go into device care, and here you'll find storage. So tap on the storage and you'll see your SD card, so choose that, and from here tap on the three dots, storage settings. Again, tap on the SD card and you will find format option. Tap on it, format SD card. The process will begin. It's a fairly quick one, it only takes about a couple of seconds, and once it's finished, as it should be right now, the card will be immediately ready to be used like it's now. Tap on done and you're finished. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.